Okay guys, it's Inventor N and I'm back with another YouTube video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a composite fan blade. Okay, the materials that we'll be needing to do this project are some cotton fabrics, a soda can make into a shape, and some scissors, brush, a marking pen, a plier, and some super sharp cutting blade, a wood glue, and a super glue, and of course some measuring tool to be precise and all. After getting all the materials ready, we can proceed with the project and do the next step, that is turn this sheet into a blade. Using this dimension, I just used 2 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters long blade span. You can use your own dimensions depending on what kind of blade, what kind of dimension you'll be needing. Okay, I have cut the sheet based on the dimensions, and next step is using our plier, we're gonna hold it about 2 millimeters size, and we're just gonna fold it like this. We're just gonna give it a nice fold angle of 190 degrees. That's our fan blade roots. Okay, after we're done with the roots, we're going to give it an aerodynamic shape, because as it rotates, we want it to scoop in air, and you cannot achieve that properly with a flat one. So we're going to give it its aerodynamic shape. We're going to twist it like this, a little by little. We're going to twist it. Okay, to add some tips, try not to exaggerate the twist of the blade. As you can see, it almost have no twist at the roots, and using your fingers you can twist it a little bit and make it a perfect fan blade. The next step is to cut the fabrics. Okay, you're going to have some extra dimensions for the fabric than the fan blades. The next step is to cut the fabrics, and as you can see, I've marked it a little bit wider and longer dimension for the fabrics to cut in, and I've marked it 4 different pieces, and we'll be cutting them into 4 different pieces. Okay, I have cut the fabrics into 4 different pieces. You can add more pieces if you want your fan blade to be a lot thicker and stronger, but I prefer using a 4 layer fan blade. Okay, the next step is to apply the wood glue onto the fan blade that we made earlier. I'm going to apply it evenly and put our first layer of the sheet. Now applied well. The next step is just to trim this extra fabrics. Using our cutter, we will cut all the way through. After I've cut all the edges, it's now turned into a fan blade. The next step is to separate it from the sheet. We're almost done. We have our composite fan blade, and the next step is just to apply the super glue to give it a strength. Super glue will take about 2 minutes to dry, and we will put the super glue all of it on all parts to make it strong enough. On both sides we will apply the super glue, the face and the back. The super glue is now dried and we have our fan blade. Perfect, nice, strong, durable fan blade made out of a cotton fabrics. That's all. And the next step is if you want to just sand it a little bit with a sandpaper to give it a smooth shape. I've already made a pre-one and it will look like something like this. Super strong, durable fan blade you will have. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I got more videos coming ahead.